decided all those years ago that he was going to be a preacher. He'd never win a fist fight, but he could recite the book of Revelation in his sleep.
There's no doubt we're all humble people gathered here. Y'all have been awful nice to me, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. But friend, poor soul thrown into that beat up place. Let the sound of fire creep on them in full week. Sure, some of us are better off than others. And I see plenty of white meat and red meat laid out on this table. And I suspect that folks that carry them platters and eat mighty good sometimes. The poor people got to bring what they can afford. And then we'll as a sign